Hello students, welcome to the LKG class. Today we will learn wall of letters. I will teach you page number 19 and page number 20. It's C and D and Q and G. Here letter C is looking like a forward curve. Phonic sound of the letter C is C. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Here, C for a cat, C for cat, C for car. Here, letter D is a combination of one standing line and one backward curve. D is for daddy, daddy. लेटर D का phonic sound है D. D for duck and D for dog. Open the page number 19. C and D. Color the circles with the letter C. Find the letter C and color it. This is not C, this is Q. This is letter C, so I will color it. This is letter C. This is not C, this is Y. This is also C. This is also C. Color the pictures that begin with the letter O. This is kangaroo. K for kangaroo. This is not starting with the letter O. O for ostrich. O for ox. O for orange. This is lamb. L for lamb. And this is O for octopus. So we will color ostrich, O for ox, O for orange, and O for octopus. This is O for ox. O for orange. Orange are found in orange color. I will color the orange. O for octopus. So we will color the octopus. Practice writing letter. Here some print mistake. It's not D, it's O. O for owl, O for ox, O for ostrich, O for orange, O for octopus. So now I will tell you the story of the chick and the duckling. A duckling and a chick are friends. They go for a long walk. They drink water on riverfront. They sit down. The duckling jumps into the pond. The chick jumps too. The chick cannot swim. The duckling saved the chick. The duckling scolds the chick and says, "Do not copy me all the time." To the page number 20, it's Q and G. Circle the correct first letter for the given pictures. This is a picture of quail. Q for quail. So first letter of the quail is Q. So I will circle it. This is G for grass. So circle the letter G. It's a grapes picture. So I will circle the G for grapes. Its starting letter is G. G for grapes. This is a picture of quill. पुराने ज़माने में क्विल का यूज़ लिखने के लिए होता था. इंक में डिप कर कर क्विल से लिखते थे. सो इट्स स्टार्टिंग लेटर Q. Q for quill. It's called कलम. इसे हिंदी में कलम बोलते हैं. This is G for a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Its starting letter is G. So I will circle the G. Here we can see the picture of quilt. Its starting letter is Q. Quilt का मतलब है रजाई. ब्लैंकेट आप लोग जो सोने के समय यूज करते हो उसे क्विल्ट बोलते हैं. क्विल्ट रजाई. Move to the next. Write the first letter for the given pictures. This is a queen. Q for queen. So I write the letter Q. This is a girl. G for a girl. So we will write the letter G. This is a goat. G for a goat. So write down the letter G. This is a bird. It's quail. Q for quail. Practice writing the letter Q and G.